want to put together a quick tutorial on how to solve the problems that you need to do regarding the wavelengths, frequencies, and energies for the spectrums that you observed in class on Thursday or Friday. I'm going to use 425 nanometers as the example. So this would be, I think, on the blue end or violet end of the spectrum for hydrogen. First thing you want to do is convert to meters, because if you remember in the C equals lambda nu, one of the things that you need to make sure was that the unit of length is in meters. Since we have measured our value in nanometers, we need to do the conversion of 1 times 10 to the 9th nanometers is equaling 1 meter. So here's our setup in conversions. So you should end up with a value of something times 10 to the negative 7. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to plug into the C equals lambda nu. So speed of light equals wavelength times frequency. Speed of light is 3.00 times 10 to the 8th meters per second. Plug in our wavelength and we solve for frequency. Our frequency is going to end up, in this case, being 7.06 times 10 to the 14th 1 over seconds. So you're going to do that a total of 9 times, 3 times for each of the elements. In the next part, you're asked to solve for the energy of the wavelength, or energy of the light that was observed. So you're going to plug into the E equals h nu. So we're going to use our answer that we got for our frequency and plug that into the equation. H is 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34th joules per second. We plug in our frequency, which was 7.06 times 10 to the 14th 1 over seconds, and solve, and we end up with a 4.68 times 10 to the negative 19th joules. Now that seems like a very small number, but remember, that is for each individual photon of light, and it's going to take a lot of light particles to make up a decent amount of energy. So that's how you solve through the problems. Again, you're going to do number 1 and 2 a total of 9 times, and then you're going to do number 3 a total of 9 times. If you have any questions, by all means, please contact me. I want to make sure you have these ready to go when you walk into school on Monday and Tuesday.